All right, welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. How are we all doing? You're welcome back. You're welcome back. All right, welcome back. Okay. I just want to check if my voice is okay, but I think I have confirmed what I wanted to confirm. All right, I have somebody on the comment. Let me bring you up. Evans, I can see you. Greetings to you. And we have Okonkwo Bassey is here. Credemon, I think this is my first time of seeing you on my comment. He said, Ndewo Masekai, good to have you here. Nice to have you, my brother. You're welcome. And on the other hands, we have Peace. Peace, I see you. Peace, he said, hello, Kai report. And we have Ben Iwu. These are people that have made comments so far. Please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. We are here before the fundraising, all right? And I'm sorry that I came very late to compare the time that I programmed for this particular video. So we are going to touch a few things based on what happened earlier today, okay? And it was like we all know that Mazi Namodekano was in the court today, and he decided to defend himself, which some people have actually said. And please, if you're one of those that I don't want to mention your name, but you know yourself, if you are one of those that send me a message and if I did not reply you yet, please don't be offended. I was so busy. Today is kind of a very busy day for me. So just bear with me. After this, I will try my best to reach out to you, to reply some of the messages. Like I have a lot of messages on my WhatsApp. So if I have not attended to you on that, please don't feel offended. But I think I played halfway of, I played just part of the message somebody sent to me, and the question is like, what is my take on Mazi Namodekano's decision to defend himself? To me, it's a welcome development, as long as he can gather some information that he needed to defend himself. Doreen, I see you. You're welcome, Doreen. How are you today? Greetings to you. So as long as he can do that, I think he said he wants them to give him some time. I think weeks or months. I think 3 months or 3 weeks. I can't recall the time, but he asked for time for him to defend himself, and he have actually called his witness, which is an interesting one. I believe that Mazi Namodekano have what it takes to do that. Do you understand? Please do me a favor by clicking on the like button in case if you have not. I think he's well informed, and he's very smart and intelligent. He can do that perfectly, because they are using, they are hiding under Nigeria, as you are a lawyer in Nigeria, and they are trying to intimidate those lawyers. So they cannot intimidate Mazen Kanu. He will say it the way it is. And that will get a long way. That the more they're detaining him, the more they're actually promoting Mazen. That's what they don't know. The more they're keeping Mazen Kanu, doing all this cookaboo story they're doing, this kind of it's not gonna take it anywhere. It to me is even a way, is another way to promote Mazen Kanu. I hope they know that, which they have done. They are promoting him day in, day out. They are promoting him day in, day out. So it's a good thing in one way. The other way is just, the problem is that the pain and suffering, the condition that he is now. Yes, Chihoreke, thank you so much. Say 90 days, which is 3 months. So within that 3 months, Mazen Kanu will be as perfect as a very even son in Nigeria. Compare that with what you already know about Nigeria. And this time he's going to equip himself with, law of Nigeria, which I believe he must have been reading a lot in detention. So I'm not one of those that are afraid of that. I'm not afraid of it at all. I've seen some people panicking. Some people are panicking about it, the kind of, oh, why? No, you have to appeal, you have to reject it. No, why will you do this? You don't need to do that. Nigerian law is not all that difficult. It's just that manipulation and voodoos that is involved is too much. Because it's only in Nigeria that you see a lawyer, a serving barrister, that is not, it is on his own, it's not church and bell. Someone that have his own chamber and everything. If you hire that person to defend you or to do one or two things as a lawyer for you, it will get to a point where he will start giving you advice on how to try a dibia. Let's use native doctor to do this. That is just the truth. So I don't think, I'm not one of those that are panicking. I'm not panicking about it. Pius, I see you. Pius is here with us, and Ahmed, I see you, my brother. I prefer to have to know your other name, if you don't mind, because I calling you this name is sometimes, you see, I pause each time I want to call your name. Chukuma Obina, I see you. Chukuma Obina said is here with us, and Chihoreke, our brother, our papa, our uncle, he's a very good follower of this platform. I see you, my brother. You are welcome. And we have Udoka. I see you, Udoka. I see you. We are streaming in different. There's a way we are streaming today. If you have noticed, we are streaming both landscape and portrait, meaning that normally we put our phone straight. You remember those days. So now we are trying to. This is my first time of trying this streaming, where we are streaming with a different shape simultaneously. So please, anywhere you fall, if I see your comment, I will call you. Rosemary is here with us. Rosemary, I see you. You are welcome. Victoria Weke, I see you. Martin, greetings to you, my brother. Please do me a favor by making sure you like the video and share it to many platforms of your choice. I have not even shared it myself, but please, if you are in our WhatsApp group, help me share this video to our WhatsApp group and any other platform of your choice, because I'm trying to speed up the time. I'm checking the time because fundraising is gonna start. I think 7 p.m. different time. Sometimes they will stretch it to 8, but whichever way we are here. Now, not only that, that's not the only thing that happened today. Sowore was arrested. We talked about it a few days ago here. I think it wasn't not yesterday. Yesterday I was not like I did not stream live yesterday. I think the day before yesterday. I said it. Why is it that these people are? Thank you, Chihoreke. I think I receive notification from you. Please help me type there that we are live. People should join. In case if any of them that feel like joining us may have, let them just have that notification that we are streaming live at this point in time. So I said it here on our live broadcast that I don't feel happy, not because they not listen, because I know some people may misunderstand it, when I said that. But let me just put it in a very, very, very correct way. I am not saying that they should arrest Sowore for me to be happy or for anybody to be happy. No, not at all. Sowore have done something that even my own Igbo people couldn't do. Some want to do it, but they don't have the environment and the system did not allow us to do that, which is to come out and protest for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. So even in as much as you want it, but the system itself will not allow you to do that. Instead, if you try, they will start buying people. You know, for example, when Nigerians protested about hunger, people started complaining about the hardship. They started protesting. Even though one Nigerian Igbos are not happy that P2B, was duped of his mandate. Because when you see APC Tinubu shouting on your mandate, we shall stand, they are singing that in not because they don't know what they have done. They do know, but they want to use that to tell you that if you want to do garagara, if you want to do anyhow, you see anyhow. That's why that song on your mandate, we shall stand. They are singing that, hoping that Igbos we agitate about what they did to P2B. But P2B was busy preaching, no, peace, no, don't protest, we're going to court. As he's saying that, Tinubu was like, I told you, this guy is very weak, very docile. P2B winning, emerging as Nigerian president is something else. And I'm happy that he did not win. Imagine what we are going through now. Imagine what they would have done. The time, if not only P2B, any more person that managed to be president of Nigeria, our people will still win, whether you like it or not. I know some people will be like, it's not true. He's a chief of, he's chief, what do we call that? They said a kind of security chief, or that's the way they put that. Like he's the commander in chief. Yeah, that's what I was looking for. That he's the commander in chief of armed forces of Nigeria. Tinubu is the chief, commander in chief. Is the same thing now. Okay, he's the one commanding everything right now. No, I cannot answer your call now, my brother. Wait. I can't answer your call now. Thank you so much. Mwama Udele, I see you. God bless you for your support. You are 1 in a million. Thank you. And Chineke Gozegi, my meet at your point of need. That in that body. Yeah. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. If P2B emerge as Nigerian president or any Igbo person, Igbo people will see very big. In fact, I got as if that we are the one punishing ourselves. You see, Nigerian constitution that everybody can manipulate now, dig something out and throw something in and dig something out. Then you know that Nigeria have rule of law and everything, because the justice system and everything will focus on you. You have to. You will walk. You walk. And you see all this manipulation. They won't allow you to do it. Look at what Tinubu is doing now. He's chief. He's a commander in chief of armed forces of whatever. Yoruba people are now running helter-skelter in their own land. He's as the president of the country who have the power to do and don't do, but he can't do it. Why? He's afraid. Likely so. He's supposed to be afraid. Because now all of them allow Northerners to buy this python. They have python feeding this python day in, day out. Python is growing, and the jaw of this python is getting very, very strong. After the election, the next election, the upper one, the more the year goes by, the more difficult it will become to even change or amend anything whatsoever. That is what is going to happen, and time will tell. Like I always tell you, please do me a favor, like the video. We have Armstrong in the house. I see you, my brother. Tony, I see you in Wobodo. God bless you. Franco Concord Dim or Zemena Ezubomadu, you are here. I see you. Please make sure you like the video. In case you have not, like the video. Stephen is here with us. Martins, God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you, all of you. Now, Sowore was arrested in the court. They decided to detain him. I don't know if they have released him. But believe you me, the reason why they did that could be because some people were like, how is it that they arrest Aloy Ejimako and some fine boy, Masna Moncano's younger brother, and some other people that went out for that protest and all that? Why is that nobody touched Sowore? It could be that question that made them to say, okay, let us prove to them that the Sowore we can also do, but leave him alone. You don't need to hold him to prove a point. He did not commit any crime. But Sowore and Mazda Moncano, they will come out victorious. And at the end of the day, Sowore become Nigerian president. If at all Nigeria will continue. When maybe even if he continued, Biafra must have gone totally to control our destiny. You know, we have our destiny in our hands. Sowore, in other hands, will become Nigerian president at some point. I know he's coming. He's coming. And Mazda Moncano will come out he will come out victorious. I'm not saying that, I'm not predicting. I'm just telling you what will happen. If you're one of those, nothing in your mind that he will die, he's not going to die. Instead of you that you wish him to die, he will die. Because he did not commit any crime. Nothing whatsoever. That's why they're struggling to look for a way to nail him down, to pin him down. Can you just imagine that? After kidnapping him, you use the first national broadcast was done in Hausa language in a secular state. Nigeria is a secular state. A secular state is a state that comprises of different tribes, different religion, and things should be done based on the constitution. But somehow this born to rule mentality is disturbing Northerners, and Yorubas are trying to do now. I will see. We know that we are doing wrong, but as long as you allow us to do also, our own wrong, at some point, we will cover you. Forget about the Igbo, forget about it. That's exactly what they're playing at. But the question is, for how long is it going to continue? It is not sustainable. You see, some youths are now coming out. They are ready to protest. That's just the fact. As like I said, I can see it growing little by little. So maybe somehow, maybe this tribalism may wipe out at some point. I'm just saying maybe. I'm not telling you that it's a guarantee now. That one is because the level of tribalism in Nigeria is so raw, so very difficult to even challenge, and nobody is ready to challenge it. What Sowore has done about this one-day protest shows that some element of Southwesterners that are very sensible, that are ready to, abandon tribalism and do what is right. But guess what? It can only be possible when somebody like Sowore is leading that kind of protest. If you remove Sowore from the picture, a non-Yoruba person cannot get it done, because the people that always throw that tribal card is Yoruba. If a Yoruba person don't feel offended, that's just the truth. That is just the truth. The only tribe that do that first is Yoruba. Then Northerners, their own is a culture. Like, as long as you're not a Muslim, it's difficult. So presence of Atiku supporting that protest is actually made it look beautiful. But it's not sustainable, because a politician cannot lead revolution. What are the difficult? When all these politicians that support that protest, it is good. It's very, very nice to see. But the problem is that you cannot, hope on that, because if you protest and protest and protest, it will get a point where those politicians that give their green light and everything, they will start withdrawing back. So it's always good to have a very tough, reasonable, and agile revolutionarist, somebody who is born to, like Mazda Moncano, but Mazda Moncano cannot be in his Nigerian circle. So when someone like Sowore can do it, Someone he can do it, but the backup is as of now is not all that strong. It's not all that strong. If let's assume that Biafrans are not demanding to have their own country and to be totally free, Mas Namarikana, someone like Sowore could have done a very mighty work in Nigeria, but it is too late. Why is too late? Because of the blood that is involved. So it is very, very too late. And two of them cannot actually, they cannot do it for Southerners, but Northerners will become problem. Anyway, I'm not here to figure out how to make Nigeria work, but I'm just saying, in case for our brothers who understand that Nigeria is not working, but they are still in this illusion that Nigeria will somehow emerge as a very strong country loved by everybody. You know, that I'm surprised that some people are still thinking that way. I wonder if my, and sometimes I will like actually look, am I seeing correctly, or is there anything that covered my eye? Because what is standing before you, they are pretending not to see that. I wonder how. It's not gonna work. No matter how you want to massage it, it's not going to work. You see, these are arresting people anyhow, you know, without minding their constitution, because, you know, why would you say this? And I am not happy with the way you present it. Let me just tell you how it is, how it's been done. You go nowhere with that mentality. Now, hear what some people said.
I caught this morning.
Let me take it back a little bit.
All right, we did Federal High Court this morning with Sowore when some Nigerian police officers come with their motor. Right now, like this now, Nigerian police just arrest Sowore. We did FCT command like this. For our side. Then they inside with the FCT command now. This message, make us spread this video, make the video go viral. Police just arrest Sowore right now.
Let's begin to mobilize.
Yes, so that we will start to arrange ourselves. Yes. Nigeria and our country, we don't fear anybody. Yes. You don't get anything to fear. Protest our constitutional rights. And nobody born of a man can stop us from protesting. Unstoppable. We are unstoppable. If they lie, they arrest us 1 million times, we will still come out 1 million times. Yes, arresting Sowore now, more Sowore will arise. You must stand up.
Now, before we continue, let me say it, because I just checked. Okay, Judek one mama that gave us super chat, you did not put any test, so I was thinking that I skipped that. So let's continue. Thank you so much once again. Thank you, Judek one mama. Now let's continue. This guy is one that, you know, they called him flag man. I think something flag, that always carry Nigerian flag in the streets of Abuja. You know, the love this guy have for Nigeria, honestly, is very deep. It's good. I'm not against it. It's good. It's good for him. But I wish that he should have known better, because in as much as you want to be a patriotic citizen, you also need to understand the environment that you are trying to show that your patriotic behavior. You need to understand it. Ask him himself. He have been in detention sometimes because he carry flag and all that, and I don't know what is still motivating him. You need to ask some questions about the system. There are some questions that one need to ask. This thing that I'm hoping that is going to be very possible one day. Where's the source? Like that thing that you want it to happen in Nigeria, where is it going to come from? Which area is it going to come from? Which area is it going to come from? Is it going to come from one good leader? Do you actually understand the caliber of people that have lead Nigeria, like professors, names? Look at Anambra State. You have a professor there. Chances Chukuma Soludo. Everybody, you know, now this man, what he did in when he was a CBN governor, is this, is that. Today he's not all that what you think, right? The question is why. Is the system. No matter, even if they born you in America and you grew up in America, you have worked in America, you are American, you want to Americanize everything. You are everything about is America. In fact, you understand? My brother, my sister, is still not good enough. The system will swallow that your goodness. Once you join, it will swallow you and your goodness, and you will start learning how to become, how to become empty and heartless. Now, the arrest of Sowore, what does that mean? This is just to put fear. And Nigeria is very, very ripe for serious revolution. But where is that revolutionist that will lead this kind of thing that people are expecting? Where is it going to come from? Anyway.
Sowore go stand up. Millions of Sowore go stand up. Billions of Sowore will stand up. So you just arrest just one Sowore. Millions of Sowore are outside there waiting to activate. So Nigerians, spread this video, share the video.
Greeting from here, Mr. Kai Report, King of Harmonica, and I see you, my brother. You're welcome. Petra, I greet you, Petra. You're welcome. Wachuku, say shalom. Okay, that is Tony, sorry. Tony said, good morning here, Wachuku. Shalom, shalom to you. And okay, that is all. Okay, Roslyn, I see you, Roslyn. Thank you so much. Now, watch Masman in the courts. Don't worry, I'm not gonna bother with this video because it's trending. The video is not new to you. Don't worry about it. We are heading somewhere. Waiting somewhere. I see you. Wait. Money man, you're welcome. Let's take that. This is the brother. Esin wife, you're welcome. I greet you. You're welcome. Please, if you have not liked the video, I'm begging you to hit the like button. Okay? Just like the video. You get one. Oh, really? Thank you, yes, thank you. All right. I'm not seeing it, okay? Yes, that is the work you are spot on. You know, that is the reason. In fact, I'm coming back to this your comment. Let's continue playing this video. I just wanted to see what happened there. Why Jamaica? You're welcome, Jamaica.
I'm very welcome. Okay, thank you.
Okay, now let me go back to the comment from this our brother. Very, very interesting. I honestly I like this your comment. That is a Wokezike. He said, day by day, Igbos are seeing more lesson to support. I think more reason to support United States of Biafra. You see, this is the reason why some people don't understand me when I make that comment. That the bandits that we all are crying and running away and we are panicking, we are complaining about, will actually help us, in what we are looking for. Today, the whole world is not aware that Christians are going through a lot. And not only that you are going to learn, because on the attempt to understand why Christians are being persecuted in Nigeria, they will come across your own complaint about how they are marginalizing you and what is going on in going on in Nigeria, Igbo people, Biafrans, and what you can't take it away. It's a matter of time, and that's why speaking, voicing out is very, very important. Forget about people like me. I'm speaking from my own angle, from my own experience. People will tell me, "Oh, you are just talking because you want the money. You want the money because the money you are making on social media." And I've told those time with that number that there are many things to discuss on social media, and you are trying to make money, but the money depends on. Some people believe that once you come online, you have platform, you are making millions. What if I forget the one, you may not understand. But that's just by the way. Let's not feel discouraged. Even though you are talking and you think that nobody is listening to you, don't feel discouraged. Keep talking. There's something that makes you to talk in first place. That thing that you have seen, that pain that you are going through is the reason why you need to. Is the reason why you need to continue complaining. Because without you, telling your stories, your enemy will do that for you. And oh God, the bad. Oh God, is the bad. You're done. Your own. And if you are not talking, if you are not talking, your support is needed. Encourage those that are talking. Because at the end of the day, it is betterment for everybody. That is why I don't want to, when I see some people complaining and yapping nonsense, I don't need to carry it on my head, because at the end of the day, the truth will still surface. So this is me telling you that if you don't have platform to talk, or you don't see yourself, you are not ready. We all are crying, we all know this problem. The only difference between us and those who don't believe in Biafra today is because we have the ability to understand what we must do to navigate our way out from this mess. We all have seen the problem. We all agree there's a problem. We all can tell the problem, but we all don't know, not everybody knows the solution to solve the problem. So in as much as you find yourself from the side of, publicizing the problem, what you are going through day in, day out, continue. Don't feel discouraged. Mas Nnamdi cannot have everything other things he can do in life. He has all the opportunity, but he decided not to, because of what? He understands what our people are going through, and he knew that if he did not do that, nobody will do it better than him. No, he's not doing it because he wanted it, because of fame. I remember in 2014, 2015, people used to accuse him that he just wants publicity, that he just wants his name to be there. That Master is complaining about our people and what we are going through because he wants his name everywhere. He wants to become fame. That he's chasing fame. And I remember somebody very, very close to me then that told me that he just wants to be settled like Wazulike. But now, everybody, he has proved everybody wrong. If you are one of those nothing that kind of thing, now I don't think you are saying the same thing now. Everything has changed rapidly. People are not seeing reasons from what he had been. Imagine if he succumbed to pressure when he was being attacked by his own people, like some attacking him today. Imagine if he just let me just go. Even me, that's why I said I'm not a freedom fighter. I don't have that kind of mind. Even now, I'm talking now, I don't have it. Many of you that follow me here must have watched my video where I said that if I am to talk to Master, I will tell him to sign anything and get out from that place and have his life. that I prefer Mazogano alive than dying and for people who don't deserve it. I've said that many times on my channel. I said it not because I want to see our people going languishing and going through pain. No. But when I see some of our people commenting nonsense, you don't understand what this man is doing. But you are very busy preaching on how to like in the WhatsApp group. Oh, you know, people of Sowore, on behalf of Sowore people, I am here to plead to the federal government to hold him tight. Now that you are not coming back home, he's this, he's that, he's that. They are saying those things because they don't understand. These are ignorant people who don't understand danger. Just like let's say a young girl, a young mother with her children, you know, living alone, and somehow lion or a python, you know, barge into their house and begin to try to swallow them or eat them up. But unknowingly to them, they don't know that lion is very close to them. And you are telling somebody somewhere is telling them, no, close your door, prepare yourself, do this and do that. Or not pretend about what to define yourself. Or not pretend what to define yourself. If you are just talking to yourself. Without knowing the danger, very close, very deadly one, though. I hope you are following what I'm saying. Without knowing the danger, the person is calling you to prepare. Wake up. That's danger. But if you keep quiet, if you allow the person will go, the lion will eventually eat them up. So the best thing to do to save life is keep on calling, try to wake them up to understand that danger. That is consistency. Remember, Mazokano made it clear to everybody that our people are very, very kind and nice. They will follow you no matter what. As long as you are consistent, as long as you are truth, you are honesty, you are very, very honest to them, you are truthful in what you are doing and what you are saying to them. And not only being consistent, but you have to be consistently truthful. Meaning that if you are pure, you are very, very open and you are very transparent. Don't relent. Don't say today, you know, I have made them to understand that I am the one to lead. Then tomorrow you then go back and start planning on, you know, trying to trade them, trying to set them out. That Igbo people, that France, have that gift of dictating what you are trying to do. Once they hear you, they see you, they already know this one is worth following, is worth listening to. But if you think that you are very smart, you have outsmart them, you end up messing up yourself. Okay? Now, I want us to watch this because something happened before Sowore was arrested.
No, I'm recording.
Are you recording us?
I'm not recording you. Me. I'm recording me.
Put that phone down.
This is my younger brother. Now, what are you upset about?
Put that phone down.
So you said the commissioner of police said you should arrest me?
Yes, we are not
over what?
To bring you to the office.
By force?
Is it by force? I'm not holding you.
No, well, you said that. So why you then have? So you didn't bring a letter of invitation now. That's not your business. When did you start telling people how to wear their clothes? Let my car follow me. Is the car here? Yes.
Wait. Baba, wait first.
No, wait. You have to take me with my lawyer, so provide an avenue for.
Your lawyer can come and
Yes. No, wait now. Let him enter first. Enter. Clear the thing now. Where's this person? Oh.
Where's your second?
Where is she now?
She's at the back there.
Enter, please.
Can you come? Drive down. How are you now? How far?
No, sir.
Even though you know what you are doing is bad, so
I'm not doing anything bad.
No problem.
Okay, I am going to take this video down because it's not playing the way I want. God bless you, richly, Masakai. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Jemima. God bless you. You are very, very kind. You are very, very kind. Thank you. Now, I'm going to play. There's something I want to see here because the voice you heard there just now is Udele. Udele was there. Very close to the police that came to arrest Sowore. I don't know if they're together. Don't get. I'm not saying that he went there with police to arrest Sowore, but what Sowore just said now, Sowore was addressing Udele. So let me take the video down and see if I will put it back and see how good the video will be. Just a moment, because I want us to hear everything very, very well. Udele face showed there. That's why I copied that place to, for thumbnails of this video. In case I don't know which of the video you are watching, but one of the video has the thumbnail, and that is thumbnail from I got it from that video from Udele. From Udele video. Are we together? Okay.
Are you recording us?
I'm not recording you. I'm recording me.
Put that phone down.
This is my younger brother. Now, what are you upset about?
Put that phone down.
So you said the commissioner of police said should arrest me?
Yes, we are not
Over what?
to bring you to the office.
By force?
Is it by force? I'm not holding you.
No, well, you said that. So why you then have? So we didn't bring a letter of invitation now. That's not your business. When did you start telling people how to wear their clothes? Let my car follow me. Is the car here? Yes.
Wait. Baba, wait first.
No, wait.
Let the...
You have to take me with my lawyer, so provide an avenue for...
Your lawyer can come and
Yes.
come
No, wait now. Let him enter first.
Okay.
Enter.
Clear the thing now.
Enter inside now, Oga.
Where's this person? Oh,
Where's your second?
where is she now?
She's at the back there.
Enter, please, sir.
Can you come? Drive down. How are you now? How far?
No, sir.
Even though you know what you are doing is bad, so
I'm not doing anything.
no problem. Well, you know we had to.
Now, look at his face. This is Udele here, behind this policeman. You see him? You see his face? The camera did not capture him very well, but I managed to pause it here. You see his face? I believe that Sowore must have learned something from what happened so far. I believe, that's my own take. I believe that Sowore must have captured something very, very important from everything that happened. Yeah, and the way he said no problem. I believe I'm not gonna. I can't hate Sowore for what he did to Udele now, because I believe life is a teacher. You understand? That is why it's good for you to be careful. Everybody. Oh, when G plastic iron. Once you give them something to feed on, they'll quickly turn against you. They will use it against you. I hope you are following what I'm saying. This madness needs to stop. But I hope Sowore and other people that may, because up my Udele, before, because just anyhow. I'm not wishing him dead, but I'm just saying. Oh, well, I got you wish no go and big on water. You my point. Always that one I don't know why. There are some things that you will get yourself involved with, and the repercussion will make you start seeking for death, and death will not come. Like the nemesis of what you have done or what you did to other people. When the karma will come, you will be searching for death, and death will be very, very far away. You'll be calling death. Death will tell you, no, live on. No. It's not your time. It's not your time. Enjoy life. You'll be begging. Everything they are doing, they are aware of it. Everything. So I'm gonna quickly, go through other things that I want to share with us. But let me play to the end though. Then I will bring where, because in this live broadcast, I am here to achieve two things. One, to talk about what happened in the court, like what we have discussed so far, just to pour my mind. All right. And to analyze the video that we have published yesterday, which I told us I don't want to analyze it yet. Now we are going to talk about it. Let's just touchlight it, okay, before we move forward, because I've seen that some people are having double mind about that video. Oh, could it be true that this is BLA that refused to work with the USB? Oh, this is a BLA. Listen, in a movement like Biafra movement, you cannot write away propaganda, and that's why we are coming back to that. Please pay attention. And if you are just joining us, if you have not liked the video, I don't know what you are waiting for. Okay, it's not going to deduct any money from your account. So please do all you can to support us by hitting the like button and sharing it to every platform where you are, maybe WhatsApp group or anything, Facebook and rest of them. Just share it, drop it there. Yes, man. People are not aware. People are not aware of what is going on. People just want to hit Simon Ekpa for no reason. I've seen some people. Oh, Simon Ekpa, they handed him 6 years, and so what? He's not going to die. At end of everything. Now who laughed last? Now we know. Make we continue, Sha.
We have to stand for you when they oppress you. So
we have to stand for you when they oppress you. That is a criminal life, like a criminal. I'm a robber. Or put it for joke. Hey, who they here? Who they here? Oh yeah, open the door. I shoot. One day they don't care about what you have done to them in the data. At night we must need to open the door. We are here. Open the door. If you move, I shoot. If we where's the money? Or your money or life? Where do you keep it? Don't waste my time. And I command you. Daytime or the very humble guy, my chair. I greet you, my chair. How are you, my chair? Sorry, sir. Find something for your boys now. Sorry, sir. Your chairman. All plan I beg you, he don't care. That is what they're known for. Look at him. I could remember when the whole thing, when this guy was going through what he deserved. What happened? Sowore was against everybody to save this guy, fighting against injustice, without knowing that the guy is in a director of injustice. Sowore did not bother to check his antecedents, his history. But like I said, I'm not here to blame Sowore. Nobody's above mistake. But I hope once you make a mistake, can you learn from that? I hope you can learn from that. Let's continue, because Obebe Kweba in Kiluka.
If you are standing for oppression, you know the problem.
Just follow us. Anybody that follows us, some people are okay. Please, sir, wait.
My car is coming. You said it's an invitation. Why are you in a hurry?
I don't understand.
Yes.
Because
only they have the video car.
How are you?
is this your car?
Yes.
So they follow us from behind.
Let me give them my stuff.
Wait, what did he do?
They said they shouldn't wait for the people. I was able to capture when the police was saying they should drop phone.
Follow them.
Yes, follow them.
See, that was how one DS is.
They go.
Oga, follow them.
All right. Let us watch this one before we present what.
Go to the station right now as I'm talking to you
Today being 23 of October 2025, after Sowore met Mazina and Kano in Federal High Court. He came out. The police officers told him that they want to see him in office. So they don't carry Sowore to the station now. We don't know whether na arrest you or not be arrest. You know, say this kind of invite na inside. Or he may come out. We never know what will happen. But right now, as I'm talking to you, Sowore is in the station right now.
Are you recording us?
No, I'm recording you.
Are you recording us?
I'm not recording you. I'm recording me.
Put that phone down.
This is my younger brother. Now, what are you upset about?
Put that phone down.
So you said the commissioner of police said you should arrest me?
Yes, we are not
Over what?
To bring you to the office.
By force?
Is it by force? I'm not holding you.
No, well, you said that. So why you then have? So we didn't bring a letter of invitation now. That's not your business. When did you start telling people how to wear their clothes? Let my car follow me. Is the car here? Yes.
Wait. Baba, wait first.
No, wait.
Let the...
You have to take me with my lawyer, so provide an avenue for...
Your lawyer can come and
Yes. No, wait now. Let him enter first. Okay. Clear the thing now. Where's this person? Oh.
Where's your secret?
Where is she now?
She's at the back there.
enter, please.
Can you come? Drive down. How are you now? How far?
No, sir.
Even though you know what you are doing is bad, so
I'm not doing anything bad.
no problem. But you know we had to stand for you when they oppress you. So if you are standing for oppression, you know the problem.
Just follow us. Anybody that is following us. Please, sir.
It seems like when Sowore was talking to Udele, they just zoom off because he couldn't say anything. Though mic was not on him. I'm not here to talk about it anymore. Let's just go through this video because I think I managed to put out some few things. Let me see if I don't want to miss anything. So this is my own. Although this is what happened today from some different people, just presented it, and we are gonna. Let me start from here. I have played this one. Okay, so here is Kano Takano. What Kano Takano said about Mazina Kano, stopping his lawyers and decided to represent himself and defend himself. Please, I've noticed that only 45 people like the video that from the portrait part of the video. Please, if you are watching and you have not liked the video, please, I'm calling on you to do that. Hit that button, please. Like the video. Get the thumbs up. Let it. And my dream here is to have at least 100 on each. It's not bad. It's not bad. Now, the normalization of impunity by Justice James Omotosho after Kano Agabe San withdraw his appearance, and Omotosho asked Mazina Kano to react, and Mazina Kano confirmed it immediately. Corrupt Justice James Omotosho asked all of the barristers, excluding the San, to leave her court. This is judicial rascality. The lawyers belong to the court and not outside the courtroom. Is well planned. So this is the Mazina Kano in the court. Always, Mazina Kano is a tough man, to be honest with you. You wouldn't even notice. You wouldn't notice this fear that people outside are having for him. That does not mean that he's enjoying life there. Please don't get it twisted. He needs to be released immediately. But they are doing what they say, a political prisoner. That's why if you are one of those that are panicking about his decision to defend himself, you should understand that there's nothing to hold Mazina Kano on. Whatever they decide to do now is immaterial because court have tried and they have seen that Mazina Kano is totally free from all these things. Okay, so let's go down here. We have played this video and I'm not going to play it again. This one, the audio is not loud enough. The audio of this one is not available. Let us just focus on the write-up from Somoto. Somoto Okonkwo said, Master Nnamdi Kanu has right to defend himself. We respect his decision. Like I said, you have to. And wish him well. San, if any put this one. So, San Kanu Agabi said, Master Nnamdi Kanu's former lead counsel. Okay, this is the man, and his voice is not audible enough here, so I don't think there's need to play it.
Decided to conduct his defense by himself. Has the right to do so. We respect that decision. We wish him well going forward. And one reaction for you. Okay, sir. Thank you very much. That's something. Thank you.
Now, I want you to notice this lady here. Let me play it again. This lady here. This is the lady that Kesh also was calling for her arrest. I always forgot her name. This lady that is not a fearless Igbo woman who she's always vocal when it comes to the injustice on Igbo people. Somebody should remind me her name. Let me check on the comment section because I'm out from there. Lolo Norma, thank you, Lolo Norma Satina. Oyenkai, on here. Satina, say you, Lolo Norma. So this lady, look at the person that Kesh also is trying to paint bad. She's there in the court supporting Master Nnamdi Kanu. You want to go? Okay, from this gang guy na planning ndị ọjọọ anụwa. Chineke ga-emekwe for you able to this in the bio because we have a lot of useless people now, and there many of them are men, although we have women, to be honest with you. Why Isoja is one of them, but I'm not here for that nonsense. Let's focus on why we are here. She's in the court, you can see her. Let me continue. Let us continue. Which very, I'm happy to see her, to be honest with you. Gina Duru, I see you, Gina. You're welcome. Remember that our lawyer Jimako is still in detention. He's still in detention for protesting. And some Yoruba people, commentators, like I don't want to say their content, they're not creating any content. Their own is to attack anything that has to do with Igbo people. They will use their platform to publicize that. Lolo Neka, yes, Ngozi, Ngozi, you are not normal. It's Lolo Neka. And when you say normal was, but I know that her name, all people call her Lolo, but Neka is the right name. That is her name. Lolo Neka, that is name. So I've seen some people trying to blame Igbo people, like always, that Aloy Ejimaka, he's not supposed to be in the, he's not supposed to protest. That Aloy Ejimaka protesting, joining the protest simply means that he's that's a word they use, like he's not he's not a good lawyer, or he don't know what he's doing, something like that. Really? Imakos will come out of the protest. Do you actually, because they don't televise the court, how the Master Kanu's trial is going and the courtroom, anything. They don't do that. If they actually know that Master Kanu committed a very heinous crime, like they want us to believe, they should televise it, so that those who are planning to follow that kind of that trend, we understand how, we see how it's being tried, and it will actually encourage other people not to commit that crime that Master Kanu committed. But they always want to have this secret trial. Why secret trial? Because they know that they are the one committing crime in the name of proving a point. Do you understand? In the name of proving a point. Here it is. Look at, wait. Look at this, our mommy here. So the video just captured it properly here. This is, you can see her. I don't know if you can see that on your screen. Yeah, you can see her standing. She's the lady that I was talking about. If you make a shot in a plan, and we are called for. That one Bekumbe, he always want to prove that he's. I don't know. Some of these people actually believe they're own Igbo people. They have all the rights. Madeke. Samuel, I greet you, Samuel. You're welcome. Okay, that is in the court. That is in the court. We are going to move to another thing. Let's just scan through everything that we have. Now, let's continue. Okay, Sahara Reporter here is confirming this news that Master Kano have decided to defend himself. Namode Kano tell court he will defend himself as lead counsel Kano Agabe. Others withdraw. Okay, we are not going to read the details. You can see it here. So this is another person on air said, breaking news, going forward, Master Kano will defend himself in court. Lead counsel Kano Agabe has withdrawn from representing Master Kano, stating that Master Kano has chosen to handle his legal matter personally. Master Kano told the court he acts as his own lawyer for now, giving him full control over his defense. Now, like I said, don't panic about this. I'm not panicking at all. Yes, Master Kano is equal to the task. That's my belief, and I stand by that. I don't want to go through comments. Some of them are yapping nonsense there. There's no need to listen to a flip. Let's go to some of them are saying, oh, this guy will buy in the jail.
But that's what you wrote. You said here, my lord, that the defendant has now applied for bail. Now, as I said earlier, there is a decision of the court taking into consideration all the conditions laid down in
Oliver Hillary, written.
At this stage, I am of the opinion that to make or take a stand on the bail application without first hearing and determining the issue that is glaring in the face, which is the absence of the defendant from the court since 25th of April 2017 until he was produced on the 29th of June. My lord, look at exactly what the Supreme Court did. They said that he did not jump there. These criminals came to my house to kill me. That's what the Supreme Court said. This is in your own court, my lord. So I cannot understand, my lord, why my trial will be conducted contrary to the Constitution of Nigeria that said I must have free and unfettered access to my counsel. It's here. This is the law of Nigeria.
That is part of it. So Master Kano will do very well on this. I hope they will grant him the time that he requested. That's all I need. And remember, Nigerian government, Nigerian court don't even have right to try him. So Makande, I told you, they don't even have the right. So at the end of the day, what do you think would be the response or the answer to all these things? This person said something here, and I want to list this.
Who is your witness? He will say, who is your witness? He will say, who's on them? He said, who is your witness? As I see this list when they cannot drop, now I can't remember what thing happened for Arise TV with Rufai was saying with the Minister of Work, where he proposed to say, you know, who you be, when you ask me a question. So I can't imagine what thing will happen to court that day. They called the same man for court to say, come be a witness. He will say, who died you? Why did you tell me? Did you tell me before you called as witness? Only for this case, I see where person they call the enemy may come here and witness. I don't invite the state that day. They can't come that place where they stay. Say now.
But honestly, I don't know why Masakano. A lot is going on, to be honest with you. In case if you're not aware, Masakano he has listed some names of his witness. The guy witness in the court. African name, so we can be involved. Hope of them to make with the list. Devil might make it the list. Sowore or whatever he called himself, the one in that the house demolition, the one governing Lagos. He's also one of the witnesses that Masakano have put and noted down. So the question is, what do you think Masakano want to achieve by putting it? Honestly, I don't know. Honestly, I don't want to claim what I don't know. I don't know this. I don't know the reason why Masakano did that. But of course, he's not stupid. He that I don't know. Let me not just claim anything. But I think something is hidden. They never expect that. I'm telling you, even myself, that one shocked me. So let's just hear this guy, because he tried to say something about it.
He concerned the former army general. Yeah.
Brutal.
Python go start the dancing cycle. The two just they make me laugh. I just say what down.
Do you know why he mentioned Python go start the dancing cycle? Because Brutal is the one he's the one that facilitated that nonsense. Python that's the crocodile smile and all that. They use that to buy a lot of use. And that is what when I see Jovika and rest of them yapping nonsense, as if spine is just starting our land. If you are on land, don't have any security, well, then why did they carry that Operation Python dance in the first place? And what that Operation Python dance and crocodile smile of what benefit was that to Igbo people? Like if I can Igbo gain from that thing. We didn't get anything. He said we lost our own loved ones. Our youth paid the ultimate price because of Brutai or Barata. I don't know what they call that man. But I think Masakano must have noticed that people don't want to see him with their naked eyes. Maybe, but let's continue.
Only for this case, I don't see this thing. But you know the surprise you say when you get this, and they're supposed to be they can't be saying like your enemy. You can't go come and do witness. I play. You come on to witness. I beg you talk. That time we'll go carry mango. So I follow carry mango. You would never say. It be like like say. I don't imagine how this thing will be. So all these people, when you come for court, to say they go appear for court, they come to take it. chief judge will stand up, say, court, arise, everybody will stand, the court not for them. They say, okay, you passing and can come and stand. Who is your witness? He will say, who was on the now what was that? Who was we say you commit this offense. Who is your witness? Say you don't commit this offense. My witness will not say it as because it does will be like you are who? You are who? You are who? He said that you are who? They'll say, hey, don't jump it off. They say that you. Who the next witness? You will say, my next witness. That's you are Benjamin.
Yeah, Dajima made the list as well. Oh my goodness, this guy, you cracked me up, to be honest. He cracked me up. So I think we are done with everything, but this is gonna be the last. If not, I think yeah, it should be the last. I don't want to miss anything. Those ones we have talked about it. Yeah. So let's just this is gonna be the last before we move to the issue of that video. Let's hear from this.
Nnamdi Kanu is a reaction to genuine grievances. Ndị Igbo, since the end of the Civil War, has proven to be the testing ground for all the madness that afflicts Nigeria. What was once restricted strictly for the Igbos have now been democratized for everybody. The Nigerian citizen is essentially a Biafra. The question to ask is this. Why is Nnamdi Kanu agitating and why is he supported by the rank and file of Ndị Igbo? A lot of people are unhappy with his methodologies, yes. But there has been nobody who has been able to come out to credibly challenge the genuineness of the grievances that he's fighting for, or rather fighting against. Let us be clear. We can bellyache about his methods from now.
Kenan, I see you, my brother. You're welcome. You're welcome. Olewe. Olewe. I see you. And is that a greeting from my end? Ekene, my brother. You're welcome. You're welcome.
The kingdom come, and I have been very vocal in condemning his method. But nobody in their right mind can argue against the fact that Ndị Igbo, just like every other Nigerian who is not a member of the ruling class, has been seriously marginalized in Nigeria and is not even treated decently like a human being. So if we want to talk about the criminalities that has also affected that struggle, let me remind you that it is in this country that we started hearing how Asari Dokubo has been contracted by in certain states to act and bear arms on behalf of the Nigerian state. He said as much inside the council chamber of the Nigerian state in Aso Rock at the beginning of Tinubu's regime when he was there vibrating. We don't even know and cannot say for sure whether this madness can be traced directly to Nnamdi Kanu and his cohort. I am not his lawyer. I'll let his lawyer handle that. But the fact is this. There is no way to say with certainty that state-sponsored actors are not equally involved in the madness that has overtaken the Southeast. And if you are going to deal with that madness, you would have to go to the root. What is causing the grievances? What is at the root of the grievances? What is it that the Igbo man is complaining about? Why is it that this place has remained in turmoil? If it's just about Nnamdi Kanu, it will be over. You've had him locked up for like 3 years, and even before then, he was mostly on the run. So the point is, take away the grievances, and the agitations will dry up. As long as the headlights persist, the fingernail will remain blood-stained. That is a reality. Nnamdi Kanu might not be to your taste, but you should ask yourself, and I'm saying this to everybody who might have reason to have quarreled with him, as I have, why is his agitation resonating with his people? Because it is true. So if the Nigerian state is interested in dealing with the criminalities and everything, then you go first to the root of the problem, the inequitable treatment of Nigerians. It is just unfortunate that the Igbo man is the one we're speaking about, but there is nothing that ails him today that does not hail each and every Nigerian regardless of where they are. It is inequity that is at the root of everything.
That is it. That is it. I think we are going to drop this one here and move to the another thing. Now, yesterday I uploaded this video. I made this. Okay, you know, I forgot that people that own the platform, okay, they don't like this kind of thing. So I will take it down. They don't like it. They will tell me now that I am promoting something, you understand? So I will take it down and put it this way. But please confirm if you can hear the voice. Can you hear the sound? If yes, let me know. Now, please, if you can hear the sound, let me know. Okay, somebody say, Amaka can say yes. Tony said yes. Okay, because I was waiting from the other, I'm watching from the other device. Now, the thing is this video that I uploaded yesterday, they claimed they're trying to make people go gaga because they want everything to be as if just to validate something. Many of you have watched Jovika, Ikenguru Ago, Udele, and rest of them claiming that we can hear the sound, okay. Claiming that IPOB are the problem. They are the problem. Can I say you should like the video, please? I want to tell you, like the video. Like the video, okay? Like the video. Engineer David, Kai TV, my brother, thanks for all you have been doing for us. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Benson QA, I see you. I see you. Please, in case you want to can you what now? Open a can now was like I go on that we go follow can I open football so I don't know football. Try and like the video, it won't cost you anything. Other map other will be going to account. I got an account, go to 30, other 30, or the map will be going to account. So that video, to me, is all about propaganda. And I will tell you what they want to achieve on that. Che the flip said no. My brother Abraham, no. On a down if I yes, for now, I'm able to me, you know, go hear them now. Can go first, then you know what I know. So that is just pure propaganda. Pure propaganda. And I will tell you my own take. Many reports, people are complaining that Udo Gachi, not what the SARS. Not quite calling the SARS. So they want to make it look like Udo Gachi now, I don't know now. Can't you see what they did? It was at the point now. And especially now that USB is talking about election. That election, that thing is hitting up all angle. Some people don't believe it. Some see it as a just mere talk. Okay, now some people just see it as we are just. But don't worry. Everything they said there is propaganda. You cannot just tell me that you are BLA, Libido with the Biafra. All of a sudden, then we use this thing. The interview itself, but the interview, the guy na pasamaga na if you many work you believe. No, if you the buy you can go. No, if you many work you believe. And that these people killed my boy. They killed my man. They killed my man. But for record purpose, one the cafe, oh yeah, back you. Careful with the fair, Guinea Kizzy maybe before it, they would again. And we IGB fair, maybe first struggle. And Manaketas nice is a mezento. Just to a kind of not this rumor, all this talk. The way we put down goes evidence. So, in case if you are not aware of what they're trying to do, they want to create that evidence. Go qualify them. So if you are like, no, I don't believe in all these things. It's just talk. Show us evidence. They want to show you the evidence. They want to put it out there. William Arabian Guabulun before, when the DOS was telling their friends and the whole world that someone vegetable, and then that poor woman that she brought out her okra that she harvested from her farm. This my boys go. They went there and begin to destroy everything in that market. Video na if I order the video, if na time that the whole market one cut okra the DSA will call me, give me email. They don't even know how to organize real propaganda. Like those plank, those 2x2, bute cut okra. Man cut okra the cheap now. Everybody cut okra one. Okra the cheap. Fagosiga parais maybe now. In our time, Fagosiga parais. One bag around 100 something. One bag around 100 something. How many bag I get maybe? The entire market, only one woman. You did not even everywhere was dry. They went out to shoot that video to do propaganda. There's another propaganda that I want to call your attention on. There's a video of people that are wearing they put on if they got quiet, they is quiet, not in the state. One time and I boy about name try. At the end of the day, nobody died. But after they go say Gi Obejiri. Obejiri na what if I get what is you? It does one side. Don't they have brain, okay? I don't know. Some people are very, very crazy, my dear. Just so Obejiri, just a catapult because without quiet, but if they can easy a key aquared, the fear aquared, does not know these guys are how would you have a list in him of here before now? All these things just to qualify Nego. I think my network is having issue, or is it only from my end? Please, is the network okay from your side? What's going on? What is going on? Can you see? Can you hear me, please? Do they have any? Okay. So said that is the Ikegurago voice they used to sabotage our PM. Yes, very good. Thank you, Doreen. Thank you for confirmation. Now, everything that these guys are known for is sabotage. They can't do without it. They will first of all create something like story that will make you feel like our land is gone, no, our people are suffering, no. So they would push that. So when they notice that people are not actually keen in much, I guess they buy a film and act to the movie, Nollywood, gay suit, if you at any girl like that. Now, watch out. No, that would not go here. Take it.
Well, carry on.
I'm not gonna forget.
Onye
Bụ onye?
Onye bụ Chukwuemeka.
Onye ebe ka ị bụ?
Amụ Aguleri.
Ka esi adị ọ na Aguleri?
Amụ Enwe.
Afọ one ka ị dị?
31 years.
Okay, ka ndị nwe ndị ngwa ọgụ niile adị ebe?
I'm gonna do it tomorrow.
Eh?
I'm gonna do it tomorrow.
Okay. Mana ndị mmadụ si na ịbụ onye ala. Kedu?
Bro, I'm gonna know you see the man my rala. No, do maybe I want to add na ebe ka waja ekwu oni.
Okay, ka ihe unji ngwa ọgụ ndị a niile eme.
Ngwa anyị aji ngwa aji me mi eme mbagala ka pata katas. Wole me kidnapping.
And excuse me. Ina before you na for the same. If you know these people, what they need India, what they get these people. Oh, we go on and crime with these people now. Has nothing to do with Biafra. Amateur. About that Nana, no me like this video. Pop it up from a baby no me like this video. I consider one. Una so if you notice, they are not gonna account there for a very long time. So why are they not confessing now? Why not when they capture them fresh? Why delaying it for some time? Yesterday I asked him to actually come back because I want to understand if he first at the video. You know that go? These people are now come on because I'm trying to choose the part in wiki display. Because if I have a live broadcast, I'm on my name and does. If I play video, it was then go on the how did this speed they delete that video? That they didn't want itself. Government that I don't have right to show video neighbor and go sing go on and so they have done that to me 2 times. If you know, you know. Wara Bright, I see you. Ogonna. Dr. John, I see you.
Carry on.
You over.
I'm not gonna forget
to you.
Onye
bụ onye?
Onye bụ Chukwuemeka.
Onye bụ ka ịbụ?
Amụ Aguleri.
Ka esa dị ọ na Aguleri?
Amụ enwe.
Afọ one ka ị dị?
31 years.
Okay, ka ndị nwe ndị ngwa ọgụ niile adị ebe a?
Ọmụ na ndị otu m nwe.
Eh?
Mụ na ndị otu m nwe.
Okay. Mana ndị mmadụ si na ịbụ onye ala. Kedu?
Na onye akịta na-ewu ndị obu n'aka. Mgbe egbe agbagide n'aka before. Ọ dị ka onye akịta na-afụ here. Ka aka jidere ya ọfụ. The question bụ na onye oto n'ọnọ na custody ndị ahụ. Okay, na nwata ote n'ọnọ n'aka ndị a. But the reason eji kpọpụta akịta bụ just for this video. Because na o do never akịta that na nka onye nke kwuo gebe onye nke kwuo gebe onye nke akọ gebe. The people want a proof. Mana ị ga-afụ na ndị ga-ebiri video na-ajọpụta ewo ị na ife Biafra nke nna ndị Biafra nna a na-egbu ndị be anyị. Of course, Jovi ga-ebiri akịta this iPad ọ na-bụrụ magburu iPad ya n'aka na-azụ agwazi ka esi egbu ndị be anyị. Why is social not na-agwa gị ka esi egbu ụmụaja? They will not ask this question. True confession bụ ijide mmadụ ọfụ. Ị na-aghọta? Ịgbawa ya ajụjụ na ọ bụrụ ya nọ na custody for a very long time. Ị nọgide kpọpụta ya si aka for record purpose, for record keeping. Nna akịrị afa gị. Onye ebe ka ịbụ. This is scripted. Ọ dịka if you add the movie now, mmadụ deche no movie kita. If they call you up to act, present the movie. You go try a pick a go character a big play. Oh, okay, game. Nke agwa gị ga-focus na. You know, there are 3. Okay, all of them they don't have fear. Like finally, you won't see that panicking in them. Go see that no if they don't ordinarily. You should see them panicking. You know they will have some element of fear in them, but they're saying it casually. Yes, no. Oh, I will go. I will go. Now, before. Ketas na I want a basic non to kaine. About one girl. Ne ke imoya. And I'm okay. See, just pay attention. na amokwo ya bụ kama na ụmụaka ya ndị ụmụ ya gbagburu di ya na ụmụ ya gbagburu di ya really. Doris said Jefika requested for money to buy. Of course, I'm no guy. All guy request yeah. Okay, happen. Anglican priest. You know why? You know, altar and all that. Anyway, happy go to Jefika. Jefika issue is a different thing. I just want to focus on why we are here. You know, what I just want to focus on that.
Bro, what do you see? The man my no, maybe I want to add na ebe ka waja ekwu oni.
Okay, ke hunji ngwogwo ndị a niile eme.
Ngwogwo anyị aji bụ ngwogwo aji ma mi wa mel mbagala ga pata sekretary. Wole me
Negative. Oyojo.
Na kada fagi.
Afan posta di moji. Afan posta di moji eji peko we mara.
Onye be ka ebo.
Only state.
Okay, biko kedu onye kidnapper akwa ọkụkọ n'ọba?
Mubem.
Now, if those ekwu ya kedu kidnapper akwa ọkụkọ n'ọba na ọmụbịa. Ọtụkwa proud na ekwu ya na-agwa gị as if no wole ni repercussion. Ọ bụ na o mere ife a niile ọ na-ekwu truly. Or they can get relaxed. Composition ya. Need the composition. Or just relax and no calmness. No mubia. If na within him, if I have not just video can current concern. If I don't know what if a game here. Because of case you have this case. But they will still find a way to defend it. No, can't you see? We have we call them, we capture them, or kita kijidelia. Because he get the guy on the balance na had very grateful. Na do gachin na had sits age the kwefa na fana ejufa for na fana elindi. And another my treatment you. Ndị come ndị gburu di dollar kwere. Gbo ife na egburu ma udo gachin ke ma na egbu ndị aka fadocha. Fuzen ka na what of the men. Kedu ndị gbara ebe n'ime ahịa ọdịncha ụbọchị a? Ọnọdụ do got one. What I got the point? Mana each this is some people confirm criminal nke that na everybody is looking for onye gburu di dollar akụ ya. Ọ bụgoro sọ some car for God knows n'ife a na-akọ. Ofo da aka igwere akwụ na degode ụka dread nọkwara ọfụma fo da aka na-agwa gị n'ọmụbịa. Na ekenekwe sibiko si gbanyara na maroma.
Unu mubem
Dị n'ombe. Ego ne ka ọkwụrụ gị?
40 million.
Okay. Ka kidnap
ọ nọ online no ya ka akpọ ya.
Gbuo isi mmadụ na hotel ya.
Mubem kidnap point.
Ụmụbe gị. Ego ne ka ọkwụrụ?
Amara m ego na ọkwụrụ ha.
Okay, what of ọbụkwa nna unu ọgụdị ndị security?
Ịnanya. So what of those no abụ ndị doga no abụ security. Kedu ife unu kara ime? Ọgwa na ha ga-egbukwu unu. Owere ga-ekwudo. Owere committee crime ga-ekwudo okwu na na-egbu egbu wine just like that. I doubt.
Two is nọ na kedu?
Ya bụrụ anyị nwajiri ndị security dịka esi gwa anyị na ndị security bụ ndị zoo na anyị gbuo ha. Ya bụrụ anyị nwajidere anyị ga-egbugo since. Mana kene dịrị Chineke na.
They go to imagine you know na can do that through they commit this crime and you are trying to be nice, you are trying to show remorse. In our water, I just go that obu no nuwa na this table turn na around na kedifi kalimen. Or say that na obu no have security. Na ka ga ibu self. Aka ga ibu na o di ko gekwu kwa o de kuso kwa na ka nda hapụ ya. Ka o de ku ka afọgbo ya. Obu no ma na we consequences. Ọmandị kama relax kwuo ife ụta. And ndị akwa ndị vigilante wiki igbu gị bufuo oge ogwe keep record. In our what they keep because the on kefa kwuru gbogbo ka ga-afụ na without na ha record mama. So negent.
Ndị udo ga-achị jidere anyị wee hapụ anyị ndụ na-enyekwa anyị nri. So
ha jidere anyị wee hapụkwa anyị wee na-enyekwa anyị nri, meaning that ife abụrụ today a na-ajụfa this thing ka a capture how fan go this one. So the question is, why asking them those questions now on the video? What do they want to achieve? What is that thing they want to achieve by going this way now to ask them, gịnị ka ị ga-ekwu, onye ebe ka ịbụ, kedu ife iji egbe eme, ịghọta that kind of thing.
ene ka na-enye
Biko gara afa gị nwanne. Wekechi ndụ. Onye ebe ka ị bụ? Ka ihe eji mara gị? Small. Okay. Kedu ndị nwunye ndị a niile? Mgbe ọgụ a? Gị na ndị otu gị? Ka ihe nji eme? Na-ekwusi okwu ike?
Anyị ji bịa bido ihe struggle mesịa kịta were ya na-emezi kidnapping.
Okay, where name is kidnapping. Okay, like how many places can you make an operation?
Oh yeah. Hold on.
Isn't it?
Oh yeah, now odegika ife okwu na eziokwu. See, this is my own opinion though. I hope maybe you have your own. After this, I would like to put link. Let me know from few people before I will go off. I want to know from few people. If you don't mind, please join me and tell me. I don't want long story. Just what is your take on this particular video? To you, is it real or just cooked up story? Because to me, the story is not adding up at all. It's not adding up at all. So let's continue hearing from
a checking point. With the
louder. Like onye
a na-ajụ ajụjụ ozi ndị izugasị ijiri aka gị na-echeta fada na ụbọchị agbagodola akụ na am number one na eso owekwe njụgị maka $10 akwụnyere. I will take it back ka ịghọta even maka egwu. I will take it back a little bit. Owekwe njụgị maka $10 akwụ ijiri aka gị na-ekwusi na ọkara ife ahụ just to raise dust. To me, it doesn't mean it to me. No. I'm trying to, go back to this. Okay, let's continue. I'm sorry about that.
Okay. Kedu ndị nwunye ndị a niile? Mgbe ọgụ a? Gị na ndị otu gị? Okay. Ka ihe nji eme?
Anyị ji bịa bido ihe struggle.
Na-ekwusi okwu ike?
Anyị ji bịa bido ihe struggle mesịa kịta were ya na-emezi kidnapping.
Okay, where name is kidnapping. Okay, like how many places can you make an operation?
Negative.
Isn't it the checking point? With the
Kedebi gago na. Number one, not part of isn't if the checking point. That checkpoint. Also not checking point. Another place also supposed no boss I got $1 because as I have the shadow mat or the make sense. Again,
boss I about $1
no boss I about $1
Louder.
Boss I about $1 lesson
Like onye na onye?
Onye lead anyị bụ
Chukwuese. Onye ebe?
No lead ifa bụ onye a na-akpọ Chukwuese. Na kwegenti, no ya bụ lead, onye somebody lead ifa. In a water. Oh my goodness. These people, you guys are very funny. Thank you, Gwente.
Okay. Call her him that day.
Mbọsị a o bụ escort ya ka anyị gbakọrọ egwu. So I gbagbu escort ya mmadụ abụọ ndị police.
Okay.
Before I nwetazie ya.
Okay. Okay. Ke ihe mere n'aka biko ka ezi afa gaa ga anụnwa
onye Igbo
onye ihe a na-etu gị ọgbanta agụ ke biko nwere ike gwa ihe mere gị n'aka ga
ọ mgbe ndị agụ na-eche mba bịara na be m
ya
ka bịara mụ na na mbọ gbawazi egbe mgbe atụtazie m n'aka
so ime ofe ka ị na-akpọrọ ibe gị na
yes sir
ime ofe abụbe gị
yes sir
okay so onwe ihe ọzọ ị nwere ike igwekwu anyị mụọ okay
afọ onye bụ ọga biri ife
kedu ha ma na-eji ji nwunji nwetacha tools ndị a niile kedu afọ ọga gị mosquito
yes sir
okay mosquito ahụ onye ebe ka ọ bụ
Ebonyi steeti
Ebonyi steeti okay
Igbo bụ Igbo
udo ga-achị onye ọbụla ma akọlva jidere ndị dị otu a hapụgodi just relax and no holiday. Oh, if you don't play here, some time ago, a lady testimony of one lady from Anambra State. She gave that testimony in a adoration grant in Enugu State, and the story is not hearsay. This is her own story. Her encounter with Ndu Dogachi that captures her younger brother. She said that once Dogachi carrying anybody to that station, forget it. That even when she went there to see his brother, in that day, it was reported that Udogachi have just finished buying some group of boys. That maybe maybe her brother could be one of them. And she started praying and everything. But at the end of this day, they released her brother through prayer, through God's intervention, not because of anything. Normally, if you go there, coming out is a miracle. That is the people that have access to these guys, and they are trying to be nice and more, kind of they are well trained. Oh, if it's Divido, here the guy himself, the Udogachi commander or the leader. So I'm going to take it out. I'm going to take it out because he's holding something on his hands. He's holding something in his hands, and I don't want to showcase that. Please like the video in case if you have not. We are almost at the end because in less than 1 hour, fundraising will start. Because today there's an emergency fundraising according to the report. So we are going to give chance for that. We are going to give chance for that.
Come on, now for you if I could be a lover. I can now on the house in the come on, now for you to be a lover. I'm making a good door lift in making in Danny Donine. When they can go governor, your chance to do. Making a one, UCI, can a mark, I make an album, making a majority leader. We're making it the house of members, all the commanders. One more to open.
So please, the link is out. If you want to comment on what we discussed, the link is here. Follow the link and let's hear from you. Just one minute. As case maybe if I do not see anybody, then after this video, I will go off to come back again for the fundraising. Guys,
come on, I'm a mother that balloon them. Simunye with to our door. I'm okay, but I'm once can I want down Rubro. Once can I want down Rubro. If I don't need your baby, no Yoshi Bunyoshi. One on my Bunyoshi, no Yoshi, no longer but I'm able. Oh, one of my boy in Dababu. Be one, then key one of my boy.
Because
no, I can't know from the right person. You're welcome, man. You're welcome. You're welcome. We have Ojugo in the house. Madam Ojugo is here with us. Let's hear from you, ma. Can you hear me? Is my voice coming out? Madam Ojugo, are you there? Okay, let's go to Legend. I think she's busy. Legend, are you in the house?
Yeah, good evening, Mr. Kai.
You're welcome.
Yeah, just like let me greet other people online. Greetings and want to thank God. Just like you always say that many things are happening and many things have happened, but we keep moving. The only thing is nobody knows tomorrow. It's only God knows
It's true.
what all these things will transform to. But many things have happened and a lot is happening. But the
Yes,
one that
sir.
will happen, only God knows. And we are believing Him that it will be to our favor, that will smile home. Sometimes I begin to say, God, please, when shall it become that, like the people of Israel, that we shall have a country? In fact, I'm ashamed most times to announce myself as a Nigerian because it's a bloody country. It's a bloody country. Now, do you know, Mr. Kai, that some real Nigerianists are better than so-called Igbo people and Biafrans? There are people who love Nigeria with all their heart, like they are like the pledge of the country. You understand? That pledge is from their heart. They wish that this country would. They pray for Nigeria from all their heart. Their thing is that being the Nigerians of their own is we want this country to be what we dream it to be. Though it's not gonna be because it's built on a wrong foundation, and we all are failing. So they are better. These guys are better than Igbo people who don't want any good thing, right? They don't want to see it left. They are calculating. Now, going to the video you just played, you know, this thing is just like in those days when we were in Sunday school in the church. There is this thing recitation. We call it recitation. You'll be given a Bible passage. Are you getting what I'm saying?
I know.
You now go and prepare. And some area when you prepare, there are some presentations you come. You omit one line. Your teacher will immediately chip it into you. You remember and add it and continue. So this is recitation. These guys have just gone to learn how to recite. If you come, do it. When did Dora Akole die? Dora Akole died many years ago. That Udogachi is not DSS, it's not intelligence, it's not intelligence unit. Udogachi, illiterate, now capture and begin to tell him. They will now put a script. Look at how does an interview you begin to make you decide the names you mention because even at that, if they can equally ask them who killed Kudrat Abiola because they have the script. They are asking by themselves who kidnapped this person, who killed this person. Everything is script. They have chosen names. See, do you know that I thank God that I'm a Igbo man, and I thank God for people like you who will always look into things and know the realities of the truth behind a drama played on the stage. This is just a drama. It's a fiction. It does not, it's a fiction. Now, you see these guys, they are just cooking up these things just to have something to present. But in everything they do, God will always cause them to make a costly mistake that even even a non-entity on the street will know that this thing is a drama now. How can a criminal be relaxed like this? How can a criminal be answering like this? Even the one questioning, what kind of question is that you are asking? That this guy, if this guy is taken to court with this Ebubago commander, Ebubago commander can't defend what he's asking this guy on the street because he's having gun. But all the same, like I said, nobody knows what will happen tomorrow. I remember in those days when Bakassi came, a lot of innocent people were killed. They started up well at a point. If you have case with somebody, you pay 50,000, 20,000, and they will help you kill the person. Most of them that did that, all of them are dead. Anybody that is living among the Bakassi people, go and check them. They are either mad or they have nothing to write them about. So you say this guy Soludo brought in and is making Anambra State a river of blood. Well, is lamentable, but let's see how tomorrow will be. Now, coming to the video you played about Sowore, I want to thank God that issue, and I know that a lot of people will picture that, and that guy disgracefully left that scene because Sowore called his attention. This was the same thing I did for you. This was the same thing I did for you when you were maltreated. You know that what you are doing is wrong.
It's
He
wrong.
said that guy that said what I'm doing is not wrong. He said, what you are doing, you know. He said, you know. Do you know one thing? It's just like when we begin to analyze some people, we say, does it mean that this guy or this woman doesn't know that what he or she is doing is, most of them know that what they are doing is quite wrong. But because he that pays the piper dictates the tune.
Exactly.
Their prayers are behind, telling them what to do. That idiot called Udele, I don't know if he's educated at all or what. He has a payer. Somebody is paying, or somebody is being paid, and the person who is paying him dictates what he should do, dictates how he should dance, dictates the next step to do, and he's being sponsored. Imagine him organizing people, paying them, and gathering them to go anti Nnamdi release protest. And this man told him to face, you know what you are doing is wrong, and you have forgotten to see a criminal is a criminal. You
There's
have
no two ways about
forgotten.
it.
You have forgotten so soon how I step in for you. The likes of this Udele should not talk anywhere, any corner. Should not even come on social media to go and read. But because he's being paid, because he is being employed for what he's doing, that is why he can't stop. The Bible said about these people that the gods of this age have blindfolded their eyes that in seeing they will not see. Even when they see their death coming for what they are doing, they can't see. In hearing, they cannot hear. Even when you are telling them, this thing you are doing, look at it, it's about costing your life. They don't hear until they go in for it. So I don't wish him to stop if you don't wish to stop, but what he's doing will swallow him. That is my prayer for him. What he's doing will swallow
Yes, sir.
him. He should go and read history. Mazi Kai, I want to paint a picture to you. Watch people that started with Nnamdi Kanu who fall out. What is their state today? Those
Exactly.
people who came around Mazi Simon Lepa, who fell away and was sabotaging. Go and check them. What is their state today? Look at the ones we are managing. Look at those who started with Ignorant Basic. Even the virus, the Lazuba virus, who started spreading. If not
Pandemic.
that you guys developed the vaccine. You guys developed the vaccine and was just trying to inject people with the Lazuba virus and this thing. She would have spoiled the whole. Go and look at the state of that woman then. The respect she had then can never be compared with the idiots who come to call her on phone. Only the same people. If she's white, she should know. Yeah, when you look at somebody was it the analyst was showing how people were giving this woman money at Latin Finland. Such things can happen again, and she knows. She knows. Even if Mazepa comes out to vote, she knows she has fallen out. She has fallen out. Look at this one. This I don't know that this man that is in media that cannot convince one person, that is not applaud, that doesn't have oratory strength to talk to people. He just fall out yesterday, resigned and said he was supposed to go out. Look at him today. When he comes out, look at his face. Look at him when he comes out to lie. Look at him. Everything about him has changed, both physically and spiritually. So what I'm trying to say here is, do you know for this life, most reward does not come after death. It comes while you are alive. It comes while you are alive. Let me conclude by saying, one day on your platform, I said that when I read Things Fall Apart by Chinua Achebe, Okonkwo having lived with Ikemefula for years, and Ikemefula having aligned with the system, and having become a brother to Woye, the son of Okonkwo, the day he was to be killed, because enemies came and saw that Ikemefula had become strong, helping Okonkwo in famine. He's just like a wrestler like Okonkwo in the ways that a warrior son should be. They become envious. But the next thing is that they concocted, they planned and said, this child, you know, is not your child. The gods of the land is demanding you, which is a lie. But there is if liars flood around you, Mr. Kai, one truth will shine like light. Just one truth will shine like light. So one man who had been an old friend to Okonkwo came in the middle of the night. You know, in those days, when serious issues are being discussed, they will wait till other people have gone to bed and they will come to you and tell you what they want. He came to Okonkwo and said, DK, listen, everybody can listen. Listen, the journey you want to go tomorrow is a deadly one. Do not have hand in the death of Ikemefula, because that boy calls you father. I am driving somewhere. Do you know when they were to kill Ikemefula being trained by a warrior, was able to defeat, outrun other warriors who drew their cutlass to butcher Ikemefula. Ikemefula all pushed them aside, but ran to the man whom he called father. And ironically, like the friend told him in the night, remember that this child calls you father. Do not have hand. Ikemefula drew his cutlass. Okonkwo drew his cutlass. While Ikemefula had outrun other warriors, pushed them aside, dodged their cutlasses or their machetes, Ikemefula drew his. Okonkwo drew his cutlass, watched Ikemefula, and slaughtered him. And from that day, Okonkwo never knew any peace. Okonkwo never had any peace till the day he committed suicide and died. The thing that led him to that was having hand in the death of the child that called him father. I want to announce to people who are listening to me, or to some of us who are on your page now, maybe listening or whatever. Whatever you do in this life will not come to you after death. And I want to announce to Lasuba virus as well. The virus you are spreading is coming back to you, and it will get you, it will embarrass you, you will die disgracefully, because you have caused the death of those who call you one of us. Now, what I want to conclude is this: nobody who extends his hand to destroy his own will ever have peace. This Ikeguru or Udele, they might be thinking that this thing we are creating road for ourselves. We are creating road for ourselves. Let's watch and see. Let's watch and see. He who destroys his own should not be trusted any day, anytime. Go and check the analysis. Go and just check it. They use you to destroy your own. when they go to their cattle, they will tell you that this one that destroys its own, should not be trusted for any reason. They all are coming back disgracefully. They all will face it. They all will have their heads disgracefully. Mazin Namdekalu said, serve the zoo and come back in peace. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you, my brother. God bless you. Triple M, I'll move your mic quickly because we are running short of time, please. I want to prepare myself before coming up my first phone.
All right, my brother Kai. Thank you very much for the opportunity given to me. I appreciate you so much for what we have been doing. Yeah, we are in it together. My genuine people in the house, I greet each and every one of you. The legend, thank you for your exposition. It looks as if it entered into my mind without wasting much of our time. I also greet my people in the room as well. Those in comment section, I greet you all. We must, you know.
You are not coming out. Your voice, you are not coming out.
Are you sure? Am I not coming out?
Yeah, you are coming out now. Please continue.
All right, brother. I say one question we need to ask ourselves is this. Have we asked ourselves, going by what Sowore told Udele, what makes Udele to be there at that moment? Can we know ourselves? Is he a policeman? Is he an officer? But why is he there? That same spirit. Emma, I say, to the extent that the man see ya, you know what you are doing is not right. He responded, I am not doing anything. That was his response. I am not doing anything. So when it was your own time, we came for you. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It is very laughable. Our leader Mazen Nandekale once said, he who sold your brother, your buyer will never trust you.
At all.
The reason why our people today are nothing to write home about in the zoo politics is because they found themselves as a betrayer. If you can betray your brother, is it an outsider that you pamper? It's not going to happen. That's why they were where they are today. When they come out, they shout marginalization. Who is man? They are the people. We ourselves, we the poor citizens, we know what we are facing. We know what we are doing. They have not been there for us before. Now bring it down to the BBC interview. For the first interview, I don't know. I didn't see the next one, but I've watched all the clips. The first one that has injury on his hand. Imagine, look at the person that a condemned criminal in the cell. They promise him, come and do this for us. We will free you. You get your freedom. He came out today. Imagine someone accepting a crime. My brother, you and I know how they maltreat anybody that they, even in innocent people, the way they maltreat them before they eat.
Your network.
Whenever I come house, if I'm not close with am I coming out?
Yes, you are coming. You are coming out again.
Yeah, that's it. Whenever I come house, if I'm not close to the Wi-Fi, I usually interchange with my mobile network. Anyway, my brother, all the thing is that let them continue acting this movie. We are watching. Now look at the one that said that the little boy which they interviewed under blue light. Under blue light. That one, check 4 years ago, and now look at his face. How old he is 4 years ago. My brother, The enemies of Biafra have to show their face for we to face them head on. That is prayer of Holy Damas Nankano, and it is happening today. Today. At this point, my brother, without wasting much of our time, my brother Legend has speak my mind already. I eat my mind at this moment. Thank you very much, my good people. We must continue.
Thank you, Trevor. God bless my legend, Bono, legend, the plug guy name. Yeah, so he always on point. Thank you, my brother. Thank you, Trevor, and God for joining us. Oye Kachikalo, let's hear from you. Madam Moju,
Mazuka Ndewo.
Good day, sir.
Ana m ekele ndị Biafra niile ya dịrị onye ama arụ unu mma emebe m si akpọ nsi na zoo na-ekwu ihe mere wụ ịma ndị ọbụla awụ nwa afọ Igbo ṅụjuru mmiri ara afọ ara nne ha afọ uche ha na-akpakọ ọnụ ọkwa ịhụrụ ihe ndị a o teela anyị hụwara Hausa na ụta ọ na-eme obi ịma ihe na-atọ m ụta ihe ndị a na ma Udele unu bịara leti ịma ihe m ji sọ bịara leti e declare yele Biafra na 29 November 2024 so ihe ọbụla a na-emezi wụ medicine after death. Kama ọ ndị maybe ndị na-esoghị ihe a na-eme right from the beginning wee na-ga ahụ ụmụ ihe ndị a ya emuvuwa ihe a dị very very clear ma onye na-eme interview ma onye mere interview ihe gwụrụ otu ọ dị even the real person na-arụ ọrụ so na ihe a na-eme ndị a nweta ya ha na-eme interview ha na-ale ya n'ihi immediately nke a na Emma, the truth is this. As far as Ajali Biafra is concerned, ọ ga na-agba ha oshi. Ihe ọ bụla ha chọrọ ime ma ya bụrụ ndị ebe anyị asị na-ekete ahụ ị chọrọ ịkwa ịga ihe n'ike ya ga-ehepụ. So ihe ọ bụla ha chọrọ ime in order to be relevant ka ọ dịkwa ka ha na-eme ha na-eme onwe ha expose more. As far as Ajala Biafra dị concerned, ọ dị ka ndị niile ha na-agbasa amụ n'ụkwụ ewu ọcha ndị niile na-agbasa amụ n'ụkwụ na-eme onwe ha expose. Ihe ọ bụla ha chọrọ ime ọ ga-awọk. O nwere ihe m chọrọ igwu unu gbasara Udele. Mgbe ahụ ejigidere Udele ịma na Udele enwe onye ọwụ hapụ ihe ọ na-agalaba ntị na soshal midia ịma na mgbe ahụ Ebuka Obi kụchiri ya ịma na one woman na Abuja ọ na-ara nri kredit n'ụtụtụ ahụ ịba joinere gị late ịba Chineke na o nwere ihe so ị ga-amagodi na onye ahụ enwe onye ọwa o tiri eti ihe ọ na-achọ ile ma o nwere ihe a ga-emeri ya ndị ezi ụzọ emeri ya and ịma ihe ị ga-eji mara na onwe onye ọwụ na ihe niile ahụ nọ na ngalaba ntị mgbe ahụ ịma ihe ị ga-eji mara na onwe onye ọwụ o nwere case the same people ọ na-asaf ewere ya gbachie na nga because ya wụrụ ndị ahụ ọ na-asaf kwesịrị idifend iji egosi na ọ na-agbara ha mbọ. Amamighọtara ihe ebe m tụrụ abịa.
My brother, sorry, it's your no when on our side. If I didn't name on me, I can wait in the gas. What would they we all say?
Okay, Kai, Chuku Gaziegi. Chukwu gozie ikwutechali ya and that's the truth. Ikwutechali ya and that's the truth. Still ya enwe shame. Odo ihe ya na-eme mụnwa maka ya ụrọ mụnwa mechiri ihe ndị a niile along the line. Ndị ahụ ị chọrọ ka ha hụ gị etikwa aka dose gị na nga. O kwesịrị ya lọta ya bụrụ n'ime waterproof ya ga-aba ikechi onwe. But dute enweghị ihe na ịmasị ihe na-eshi mkpi isi dị ya n'ahụ ma ọ dị ya na ha gara gaba ya na mmiri ya. But the truth wụ ha niile bịara late. Ihe ndị a niile na-eme ka Biafra mata this evening na ha na-akụ okpi ụkpọrọ nwe ilu ndebe anyị na-atụ asị na ị na-akụ okpi na ụkpọrọ o teela agwọ gafere. E declare yele Biafra, e protectala my vote m tụrụ from Biafra land here. So ihe ọbụla ị hụrụ ha na-emesi okpi ka ha na-akụ o teela agwọ gafere. Otu aha m n'ọnụ ka m nye ndị ọzọ ohere ka ha tụọ etupu uche ha. Ndewo na Biafra. My idea.
So
my idea.
Coming back to
appreciate
that. So please, I appreciate you, legend, one of us, and of course our deposed himself, Triple M. Greetings to all of you. Madam Oju, even though the network or maybe you are busy from your end. I appreciate all of you for joining me and all of you on the comment section. God bless you all. Please keep your eyes on the channel. We are coming back again for fundraising. And if you have not liked the video, please do like the video and share it on many platforms of your choice. God bless you and take care of yourself. Bye-bye for now. Thank you.